This is about a grand challenge initiative in AI for climate and nature. The report gets into a little bit about defining the archetypes of a grand challenge. Uh, there is no such unique definition. Many funding calls call for grand challenge proposals. Typically, it's not something one or two researchers could do on their own. So you build a team, identify a big problem, its technology readiness level, and you also expect a certain level of funding to do such a big problem. And when you are talking about AI, then you have to be sure that AI is appropriate for such a problem. And when you're thinking about AI for climate and nature, then you have to also make sure that the problem is something that improves climate change impacts, reduces risks, or finds solutions, helps adaptation, helps improve managing of agriculture or energy or health, fisheries, and so on. And you have to also consider readiness of deployment of AI. It's not just a software you are implementing like for running a car or whatever else, but you are also not just handing it off. It's something that is ongoing. So it's an objective that has to have a theory of change so that it is outcome driven from the beginning. And there are a lot of details on how societal acceptance or societal readiness can also be very important for identifying and implementing, or at least funding a team to work on a grand challenge initiative in AI for climate and nature. And many such efforts are already underway. Schmidt Future has funded various activities in climate and nature, and it's just started, so we have to wait for about 10 years to see what will come out of them in terms of the theory of change. What will they change in terms of research methodologies or actual solutions or training, outreach, societal benefits, and so on and so forth. Okay, so it's a bit general, but there are some specific examples of Grand Challenge initiatives that are already funded by various entities like NOAA, NASA, which tend to be smaller fundings than private funders. Okay.